Publishing your app on Base44 is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log on to your Base44 account. If you do not have an account with Base44, you can check the link in the description below, and that will direct you straight to Base44 and allow you to register an account. Now once you're done signing in, this is what your dashboard should look like. To publish your application, you definitely need to have an application first, so you can start writing your application or start building your application by prompting Base44 here. Now once you're done building the application to your liking, what you're gonna do is, if you go to all apps on the left side panel, you can see all the applications that you build. Once you've chosen the one that you want to publish, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the application, and you're gonna realize it opens up like this. There's a chat box at the left side where you interact with the AI, and it previews the application for you. So you can see here where you can toggle between preview and then dashboard. But what we are really interested in is the button at the far right of the screen which says publish. You're gonna click on publish. Now once you click on publish, it's going to show you, it says once published, the app will be visible to users based on its visibility. So you can decide to make the visibility public or private, and you can make it public with no login or public with login required. Now this URL allows people to see your application. So once you click on publish app, it should go, and then this is for the web application, this is for a mobile application. But this requires an upgrade. You need to be on an upgraded plan to allow Base44 actually send your application to App Store and Google Play, so it could be visible in there. But once you click on publish app, it's going to say publishing, and it's going to say your app is published and live online. So since we made it private, what we're going to do to make others see our app is to copy this link and send it to those who want to see our app. And once you visit this link, you realize your app is live on this link, but it's gonna require you to log in before you can access it. Now that's how to publish your app on Base44. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.